helps to boost body immune, and it also helps in stimulating blood circulation in our body smoothly. One of the best juices which will help us reduce body weight, help us relieve joint pains, help us also improve performance in bed, and these are ingredients. One of the ingredients, this is turmeric, which contains vitamin C, which helps in boosting body immune. It also helps in that is skin care. In case you have a rough skin, you can use this one. Also helps in treating arthritis. So you can use, if you have arthritis, you can use this one. It has got a lot of advantages. So this is one of the ingredients. Then we have a ginger. This is a ginger. Ginger helps, it contains vitamin C, which boosts your body immune. It also helps in relieving pain from our joints. It also helps in regulating blood sugar content in our body. It also helps in curing arthritis and gout. So it contains a lot of advantages. So we have this is a garlic onion, which also helps in it helps in filtrating our blood. In case you have a blood that is more concentrated of toxic substances like viruses, pimples, you can use this one. It also contains vitamin C, which boosts body immune. It's also key in detoxing. So this is a garlic onion. Then we have honey. In case you are coughing, you can utilize this one. It also helps in curing that virus causes coughing. In case you have a fever, you can use this one. In case you have a low libido, you can use this one. It boosts men's libido. So welcome. We will start with this is a turmeric. Let us remove the outside peel. In case ukitaka kutengeneza if you pimples, you can use this one. It also contains vitamin C, which boosts body immune. It's also key in detoxing. So this is a garlic onion. Then we have honey. In case you are coughing, you can utilize this one. It also helps in curing that virus causes coughing. In case you have a fever, you can use this one. In case you have a low libido, you can use this one. It boosts men's libido. So welcome. We will start with this is a turmeric. Let us remove the outside peel. In case ukitaka kutengeneza, if you want to make one of the best spices, food spices, which is organic, so you can use this one. Spices for food, especially for morning, especially for food. This is one of the best spices. We are going to make one of the best spices. So this is a turmeric. So this is a turmeric. Cut it to small pieces, slice it to small pieces. Then this is a ginger. Let us remove the outside peel. Pieces. Then we have our garlic onion. We just need two cloves is enough. 2 cloves is enough. This is a garlic onion. Just cut it small pieces. So this is sliced turmeric, ginger, and garlic onion. So put it to blender. Put it to blender. We are going to make just 1 glass. 1 glass is enough. We have our juice. We have our juice. You can see one of the best juices. One of the best juices. Then this is our juice. Our juice. Then we add stir very well for around 2 minutes, so that the organic honey can dissolve very well to the juice and make it more tasty. So this is our juice. You can see this is our juice. It contains a lot of vitamins, a lot of nutrients. So you can make this one for your friends. In case you are coughing, this is one of the best. In case you have arthritis, or maybe your joints is gonna a lot of pain, you're gonna gout, make this one. In case your face is looking rough and you want to smoothen it, this one is a skincare. So make this one. In case you have overweight, you need to reduce, want to lose weight, This one is key and very important in weight loss. It also helps in releasing vein. In case you have a vein, maybe you have a headache. So this one is one of the best use you can ever make for you and your family and your relative and your partner. So thank you for watching my video. Consider subscribing and sharing. Goodbye.